Perodua Ativa install Senpai 9-inch Android GPS big screen player with a good fitting casing. This is a thick casing, thick type casing. Android player with body can easy to fix in. No need to open your body for fix it. Ativa got another casing, is a slim type. That one have to open your car Android GPS player body separate order. It's need a technical to install. So it's a QLED screen, multi-angle view, more sharp and more colorful screen. Screen resolution 1280x720. This version is a T3L 2 plus 32, 2 GB RAM, 32 GB storage. Setting, system, about device, Android version 12, screen resolution 1280x720, T3L version, 2 GB RAM, 32 GB storage. Full menu, Bluetooth call and Bluetooth music, pairing with your phone Bluetooth. Search. Okay, after pairing for Bluetooth call, you can click for the music icon for Bluetooth music. Play Store, log in Gmail to download app. Steering wheel control setting. So it's a T3L version. Radio, select the frequency you want, a long press to save it. Music file, okay, it's got a shortcut here. You can change your shortcut app. Long press, then select the shortcut you want. Set for Waze. Okay. Plus, okay, YouTube. So you can set it. You can change it anytime. Setting, network. Okay, turn on player Wi-Fi. Connect your phone hotspot for internet. Share your phone hotspot, connect player Wi-Fi for internet. Display. Okay, car setting. Reverse line ruler. So you have to turn on your reverse line. Okay, let me show you. This is AHD reverse camera input. Reverse. It's got a reverse line. Back to normal. Okay, reverse camera. You can select for the AHD or CCD. If you change aftermarket camera, so now you can select for the AHD, analog high definition camera. If you connect to the original camera, you have to choose a CCD. Sound setting. Okay, back to home, square button. So this is for clear apps and also for split screen function. Long press, you can draw it left or right for split screen. Okay, draw it to off it. Clear apps, clear it one by one or clear all. Scroll down. You can adjust for volume and the brightness. Okay, screenshot. close screen or screensaver. Nighttime driving, you can select for the close screen or screensaver. Clear memory, EQ. This is 12-band EQ equalizer. Preset channel. Okay. File manager to manage your file. It's got a 2 USB extension. So 2 USB you can put in a drawer extension. For Ativa car model, you can optional add on for the USB camera in socket. So original got 2 USB slot. Original 2 USB slot. If you add on a camera in socket, you can use it back these 2 USB port. Have to extra add on camera in socket. GPS antenna to detect your car location. Okay, Perodua Ativa AHD parking reverse camera. Senpai QLED. The T3L version, 4-core processor, 2GB RAM, 32GB storage. Okay, this is the socket USB Android for Perodua Ativa. 2 USB slot connection. Installed by OneBiz. Video by Andy. Thank you.